To add start times to tasks on Todo, begin by opening a web browser and navigating to the Todo website. Clicking on the login button will prompt you to enter your email and password, granting access to your account and tasks. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including your name, tasks, projects, and templates. To set a start time for a task, select the project and task you want to modify. Then click on the three dots to access additional options, such as edit, due date, priority, and reminder. Click on the due date, then the three dots next to it, and select the time button. From here, you can input the start time and choose between a floating time, which remains the same across time zones, or select a specific time zone. After setting the start time, click Save to apply the changes.